Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in. So this is pretty much going to be a tutorial of how I do these faux distress locks. So stay tuned so you can see the full tutorial. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any more videos. Okay, so let's just get into it. Pretty much I had these faux locks in for about a month, and just for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how you do it from start to finish. If I was doing a retouch, I wouldn't do it this way, but just for the sake of the video, I am going to show you how to do it this way. So pretty much you're just gonna you're gonna have your hair plaited into small sections all over your head. You're gonna do either, triangle parts, square parts, natural parting, whatever type of parting you desire. And here you see me just combing it out, putting edge control and gel on the roots and plaiting it all the way down. Here I am just plaiting, making sure that the braid is nice and tight to the root so the crochet lock could be very secure. And y'all, this is really easy. It's my first time doing it. I'm not a stylist or anything. So here I am grabbing the crochet needle. I usually like to choose the bigger one so it'll be easier to hook on the lock and the wrapping here. And I used the Freetress 2x Soft Faux Loc wavy in the size 20-inch. You could get this, or you get any other type of crochet lock at your beauty supply store. So here I am pushing the crochet through the roots of my hair. Okay, and then I open the hook. Grab the pre-made crochet lock, hook it on, close the latch, hold it closed until you push it through the hair, and there you go. Now we're just gonna open up the crochet hole, push the braid, not the lock, through the crochet hole. Again, push the braid, not the lock, through the crochet hole. And then boom, done. So you got step one complete, and this lock is not going anywhere as long as you did your roots nice and tight. Now we're just gonna spread open the pre-made lock a little bit. Again, you don't unravel it, because if you try to unravel it, the whole thing would get messed up. I made that mistake about 3 or 4 times and had to start over. You just spread the lock apart just a little bit, and you just wrap around your braid. It doesn't have to cover it perfectly, because it won't. Here I am wrapping. You want to try to wrap it at least, kind of tight. Until the braid is like completely covered. And boom, don't pull on it, because you might loosen it up, so just leave it alone once you're finished wrapping it. And now we're gonna take the crochet hair. Now the curly hair that you use, it want to be something that's really springy. Depending on what type of crochet hair you buy, it could give more of a natural faux lock texture, or it could give it more distress. Me, I prefer more of a distressed look, so I got something that's curly. I don't have the packaging anymore, but I'll put a link down below in the description box of the type of hair that you could purchase. So here I am. I took it, I spread the crochet hair apart a little bit. I don't separate it, I just spread it. And again, I'm hooking the crochet needle through the roots of my hair, opening the latch. And I'm going to hook the end of the crochet hair onto the needle. Like you make a little loop with the end of the crochet hair. Close the, oh, oops, I messed up. Hook it onto the crochet needle. Close the latch. Gently pull it through the root of your hair. Boom. Step 2 complete. Now it's very secure. It's not going anywhere. And now for wrapping the hair, you're gonna have at least 2.5 inches on one side. Okay. And then you're gonna take the hair and just wrap it in the opposite direction, nice and tight. I would try to do it tighter at the root so you know it won't come loose. Nice and tight. I'm wrapping over and over. We're gonna fast forward through this section pretty soon because at this point you should pretty much get it. It's self-explanatory. Here I am, I'm wrapping. Now, as you get further down the lock, you don't have to wrap it as tight, and that gives it a more of a distressed look. Wrapping. Okay, so now we got to the end. So we're gonna use a nail glue, any type of nail glue, kids, it doesn't matter. Just get a cheap little nail glue, and you're just gonna put it at the end of where the wrapping hair ends so it won't unravel and it could be nice and secure. So here is what you see me doing, just putting a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. And then I'm taking my palms and I'm rubbing the lock in between my palms, you know, to secure it even more. And now we're gonna clip off the excess wrapping hair because we don't need that. Boom, complete. Lock finish. Guys, this is very easy. Again, this is my first time doing it. I'm not a stylist, never will be. I just like to do my own hair because it's cheap and it's affordable, okay? Yes. And this is pretty much a view of the texture of the hair. Very beautiful. It's all the way down to my butt. Thank you for watching. Bye.